CEO and Chairman of TikToker Service Philippines, Inc. The girls will receive 10,000 pesos cash each.
Again, thank you so much to our good friends, Leomar Ramirez and Jane Zhao. Ladies, congratulations. Our next winners will be the winners of Miss Bagging. And our Miss Baggings are Miss Baguio Krishna Ratrine Cavite and Miss Cavite Tia Mate.
Miss Baggin is presented by Mr. Leomar Ramirez, Head of Management of TikToker Service Philippines, Inc. and Mr. Cheng Zhao, CEO and Chairman of TikToker Service Philippines, Inc. The girls will receive 10,000 pesos cash each.
20 million po.
It's quite a challenge to hold two arcades and put the two sashes at the same time. And again, thank you so much to Mr. Leo Ramirez and Mr. Cheng Zhao. And again, ladies, congratulations on your two special awards. Moving on, our next award is for Miss Hair Fix. And our Miss Hair Fix is Miss Fabio Krishna Ramirez.
Miss Hairfix is presented by Miss Marge Lee, General Manager of Livestrong Marketing, Inc. She will receive 20,000 pesos worth of cash and products.
Once again, congratulations to the thrice awarded Miss Fabio Krishna Ramirez. And moving on to our next special award for Miss Kathy Dahl. Our Miss Kathy Dahl is Miss Darla Jasmine Omar.
Miss Kathy Dahl is presented by Miss Marge Lee, General Manager of Livestrong Marketing, Inc. She will receive 20,000 pesos worth of cash and products.
And congratulations, Miss Carla, our Miss Kathy Dahl. And moving on, it's time to award our Miss Megan Beauty. And our Miss Megan Beauty is Miss Quezon Province, Maria Andrea Enrico.
Miss Megan Beauty is presented by Miss Marge Lee, General Manager of Livestrong Marketing, Inc. She will receive 20,000 pesos worth of cash and products.
Once again, congratulations, Miss Quezon Province, Miss Andrea Enrico. And moving on, we have our Miss Mestiza. And our Miss Mestiza is Miss Baguio Krishna Ramirez. Miss Mestiza is presented by Miss Martina Sandoval, Director of Operations of Mestiza. She received 10,000 pesos cash and a one-year supply of Mestiza soap. Again, congratulations, 4 times over, Miss Baguio. Moving on, we have Miss C. Dunction. And our Miss C. Dunction is Miss Pico Isabel Villasano.
Miss Seduction is presented by Mrs. Parade Carlos, founder and CEO Deduction International. She will receive 25,000 pesos cash and 25,000 pesos worth of products.
Congratulations for Miss Seduction, Miss Nicole Isabel Villasano. And ladies and gentlemen, to round out our special awards for this evening, we have our Miss Sea Glow. And our Miss Sea Glow is none other than Miss Tarlac Jesslyn Mahoma.
Miss S.Y. Low is presented by Miss Lou Maria Amputian, CEO of S.Y. Low. She will receive cash and products from S.Y. Low.
Once again, congratulations to Miss Tarlac Jesslyn Mahoma, and congratulations to all of our special award winners. Let's give our special awardees one more round of applause. Bravo, ladies. Thank you so much. Once again, congratulations to all of our special awardees. Now, ladies and gentlemen, pageant fans, it's time for a moment that we have all been eagerly awaiting for. The announcement of our fast track competition winners. Starting with our top 5 Miss Charity. These remarkable women, Miss Charity, these remarkable women have shown exceptional dedication to humanitarian causes and making significant impacts in their communities. So let's not keep you waiting any further. I have the decision coming from our judges. And as final clarification, if those are top 3, then you meet our good friends from Reyes Canundong for auditing the results approved by Miss World Philippines. We have, clarify again, after auditing clearly is very important for any of our beauty pageant competitions. Our top 3 Miss Charity for Miss World Philippines, we have from Pampanga, Sofia Bianca Santos. We also have from Cavite, Miss Pia Mate. And to round up our top 3 from Quezon Province, Miss Maria Andrea Entizo. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our top 3 Miss Charity for Miss World Philippines 2024. We will announce the main winner during the coronation night on Friday. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to our top 6 for Miss Multimedia. Our first top 6 candidate is from Baguio City, Krishna Marie Gravides. From Batangas, Patricia Bianca Tapia. From Capitolio, Pasig City, Diana Agatha Pagintia. From Balay-Balay, Bukidnon, Dolly Ceballos Cruz. during the coronation night. Then, ladies, now we move on to our national costume. Our top in national costume in no particular order. We have from Malay, Bukidnon Valley, Ceballos Cruz. From Capitalio, Pasig City, Rihanna Agatha Palindia. From Pangasinan, Nikki Benafe. From Pampanga, Sofia Bianca Santos. From Tarlac Province, Leslie Nola. From Cavite, Dia Mate. From Quezon Province, Maria Andrea Episo. From Baguio City, Krishna Marie Ramirez. From Manila, Gabrielle Marie Lansner. And from Quezon City, Christine de los Reyes Chagas. Congratulations, ladies, our top in national costume again. You'll find our winner during the coronation night. Once again, congratulations, ladies, our top in national costume. Now moving on to our top 10 models in no particular order. We begin with Christine de los Reyes Chagas, Quezon City. From the city of Manila, Gabrielle Marie Latzer. From Capitolio, Pasig City, Rihanna Agatha Pamindia. From the Bicol region, Team Isabel Villasano. From Quezon Province, Maria Andrea Enciso. From Malay, Bukidnon, Valley, Ceballos Cruz. From Baguio City, Krishna Marie Ramirez. From Pangasinan, Nikki Benafe. From Cavite, Dia Mate. And coming up, our top 10 models we have from the province of Tarlac, Leslie Noman. Again, thank you so much to our official auditor, Reyes Caradon and Company. And we will find who our top model is during our coronation evening. Again, one more round of applause, please, to all of our awardees and our top candidates. Bravo to all the ladies and bravo to all of our 33 Miss World candidates. They all deserve a round of applause, please. Bravo, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And now, ladies and gentlemen, they are the 33 candidates, but together they gather for one purpose, which is beauty with a purpose. So tonight we invite all of you and all our candidates to join us in the community singing of the Miss World theme song. Let's all come together and lift our hearts and our voices as one. 2024 here on stage. We invite all of you to please join us this coming Friday, July 19, 7 p.m. at the Mall of Asia Arena during the Miss World Philippines Grand Coronation Night. Find out who will be the winner among our 33 candidates here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure to have all these ladies who have worked very hard to be here on the stage today. They deserve one more resounding round of applause. Bravo, ladies, to all of you. Great job. Good luck. God bless this coming Friday. And to all of our sponsors, partners, and everyone who made our Gala Night and Top Model competition possible, thank you. Maraming salamat for your unwavering support. And to all of our stunning and truly gorgeous candidates, lovely both inside and outside, you've also very brightly tonight. Again, thank you to all our guests for joining us here this evening at Okada Grand Ballroom. Once again, my name is RJ Ledesma, and this has been the Miss World Philippines 2024